Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be taking a look at our top 5 recommended cases for the iPhone 11 Pro Max from Apple. With the release of the iPhone 11 fast approaching, we're beginning to see the case options available that enhance the look of the phone and fully protect it from dangerous impacts. Though we still have a ways to go before getting our hands on the actual phone, we want to give you an insight into the range of cases already on offer to give you an idea of what's in store. First up, we have the ExoShield Tough Crystal Clear case from Olixar. Custom moulded to fit the Pro Max shape and size, this case shows off the iPhone design while offering that reinforced shock protection from any accidental drops. Made from a hard-wearing polycarbonate material, the shell design protects your phone where you most need it, covering the back and edges in a tough bumper while saving your screen from surface wear with a slight raised bezel edge. It's a great case for those who dislike cumbersome, bulky cases, as it doesn't take anything away from the phone's look. It's surprisingly grippy, and even with the enlarged size of this handset, I don't find the added layer cumbersome or obstructive, which is surprising for a protective case. So if you want to show off your new iPhone but you don't want to cover it up, this clear case is the perfect option for you. Next we have the genuine leather case from Olixar. A simple favourite for most phone users, this classic case offers a minimalistic but executive look that protects your phone from light scrapes and scratches. As it's genuine leather, the material absorbs scratches with ease, making it a very hard wearing case that lasts. Available in grey, brown and black, there's an option that goes with just about anything. The soft leather feels great in my hand, and with the natural waxy properties of leather, it easily deflects dirt and moisture. Though this case doesn't necessarily cover the screen, it does cup the corners, edges and ports nicely, so you know that your phone will be protected from light corner impacts. The bottom lightning port remains open for easy access, but the button covers hug the shape tightly, offering perfect responsiveness. For a slim case, I really like the close form-fitted nature as it feels custom to the phone, just like an official case. If you're looking for a premium, stylish look on a budget, then this is a great option. For a hard-wearing clear case, we have the Fusion X case from Ringke. This highly recognisable design can be seen across many different phone models and has a reputation for being highly protective while offering a window into the back that still shows off your phone's design. Available in a range of colours and patterns, you can get out your new iPhone in a stylish but safe manner. Protective cases are slowly branching out in a more stylised design, and we can highly recommend this clear case for its resilient hybrid design of a TPU bumper and polycarbonate material. Of course, with the price of this new model, you'll want to assure that your case will provide longevity of your device. You'll be pleased to know that this case has successfully made it through drop protection tests, and with the reinforced shock protection on the sides and corners, your phone will have full protection from accidents. Along the sides, you'll find the integrated ridges are a secure design that offers a natural, non-slip grip. We know how important it is to keep your screen unobstructed from annoying scratches, and this case uses a raised bezel edges around the screen to help elevate it from the surface slightly, reducing scuffs and scratches caused by surface wear. In terms of the button functionality, this case is very forgiving and feels responsive, giving that satisfying click when pressed down. Though the design can look a little chunky, the unique, futuristic look kind of stands out against most plain black cases, and if you're not a big fan of the simplistic black look, then you can also choose from the camo black pattern as a fun stylistic addition to the clear back. For something a little extra, we have the ExRanger Tough case from Olixar. From the outside, it looks like your average black protective cover, but if you look a little closer, you'll find a hidden compartment on the bottom, concealing a handy multi-tool, so you're always prepared for whatever situation that arises. It's a hard-wearing, secure case designed for everyday use and outdoor pursuits, safeguarding your phone for whatever life throws at it. The rubbery material offers a great grip, which is handy for the large handset size, but it also doubles up as a bumper for drops and impacts. I like the stylised brushed metal design and texture, and the slimline structure really complements the iPhone 11 Pro Max's clean look. The compartment on the back can be used as a secure hold for the multi-tool or your most important cards, and even doubles up as a little kickstand to prop up the phone in a vertical or horizontal position when needed. The buttons and ports are surrounded by a soft rubbery material that's highly responsive and open to easy access. Again, the screen is exposed, but the slightly raised rubber edging offers a great surface wear protection when placed face down, which is always a bonus in a back cover case. Overall, this is the perfect tactical case for the adventurer that shields your new phone from the harshness of the outdoors, as well as looking stylish. Finally, we have the Damda Glide Shield case from VRS. This sophisticated phone case offers a little glamour to the average protective case, with a clean-looking plain black finish and an interesting external marble effect card slot. VRS are well known for creating cases with flair, and this matte smooth design appearance works really well with the case's slimline fit. The part that draws your eye is the hard shell sliding card storage. It's a hard-wearing spring-loaded compartment that easily slides off the phone and fits multiple cards securely, so you can leave your wallet at home. Though it does add a little extra bulk to the phone, it's worth it for compiling all of your important accessories into one device that you can slip into a pocket. The outer material is very flexible and slides onto the phone with ease, and the button coverage is specifically designed for ultimate responsiveness, so the case doesn't affect the phone's overall functionality. It's really easy to grip and very lightweight, which is something you need from a case that fits over an already large phone. Again, this case offers a raised bezel edge around the screen, so your phone is elevated when face down to avoid contact with rough, dirty surfaces that could potentially damage your screen. I really like this practical, professional looking case. I feel it really complements the iPhone 11 Pro Max, framing the shape perfectly while offering good solid protection from accidental impacts. So that's all we have for our top 5 cases for the upcoming iPhone 11 Pro Max. If you liked any of the cases shown in this video, check the links in the description below for the best deals, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.